Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Tayla was born on October 20th in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Her astrological sign is Libra. Tayla stands 5 feet 6 inches tall or 167 centimeters, body type, voluptuous. She has a beautiful dark brown hair and brown eyes color, marital status, unknown, nationality, Australian. Tayla was born and raised in Australia. She lives in her hometown Brisbane, Queensland. The curvaceous Aussie model completed her tertiary education in Australia before she delved into modeling a few years ago. She has been active on Instagram since March 2019. She models herself in photos and clips and also uses her popular social media pages in promoting lots of brands. She has worked with some top brands like Princess Polly Boutique, That's So Fetch Australia, The Collagen Co., Wildlife Shoes, Gigi Active Luxe, Fashion Nova Curve, Tiger Mist and several other brands. She has also launched her own activewear company known as Tage Apparel. On TikTok, the voluptuous beauty has attracted more than 365,000 followers who can't stop admiring her lip-sync clips.